Invite Mheshimiwa Dr. Gideon Ochanda, MP for Bondo.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, together with your deputy, allow me to observe the protocol as it is, and because of time, please, I want to say a few things. Number one, Your Excellency, in investing, definitely in investing, any investor looks forward to a return on investment. You can only reverse that with magnanimity or a totally different vision. And Your Excellency, being here demonstrates to us that you can reverse the whole issue of return on investment with magnanimity and a clear vision. And that is exactly, even with the 30% that Hesbon was talking about that you got from Omola Gar Primary School, Raymond is PS Interior. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much, Your Excellency. That is magnanimity. In the same way, Mr. President, I want to reiterate that in this region, we, in terms of the economy, either the economy is dead or is dying. What we want to place in front of you, very clearly, Your Excellency, is that don't preside over the barrier over our economic situation in this country. As a region, the Lake Basin, our economy is either dead or dying, and I want to request you, please, Your Excellency, don't preside over its total barrier. Be part of us. Let the Lake region be part of the geography of this republic, and we'll always want to be with you when that becomes part of your exercise in running this country. There are things that are happening or have happened. There are things like we have seen after the elections, Your Excellency. Many things happen, and this one we saw it, and we've been seeing it over a period of time in this country, that after every election, there are issues. There are issues all over. What is it that we need to do so that after these coming elections and many more to come, we don't have issues? Can this be part of a very serious agenda? Because we can't have elections that are disputed through and through. We can't have elections that now, what we are seeing this time around, you know, like in football, like we've been saying, when the game is on, when there are issues, you bring in the VR. You are seeing a VR being brought after 6 months. What kind of a game that is? Nimi piro se rumo, bang dwe cha uchel, eka koro ukenwa ngoa, VR. The money was now the result after 6 months. How can an election be like that? Or even if it's in a game, how can a score be like that? That you wait for 6 months and then bring in your own results. I think this is not doable. It's not easy. Your Excellency, I'm trying to tell our people, yo thurua, wase go siasa, higini nyakane wachak bedo go uru. Wase luwo jomwanyalo, wase chopo kodi kamwantiere kata sani, duto manyisore, eni gino timre nadi otamore. Ya? Gino timre nadi, gino tamore. Toka gimoro tami, ti wuok, ti mako lwet nyawadu manyalo mondo mi wuoth udhi mbele. Wamakru wuodni, wadhi uru mbele kako ganda, ero uru kamano.
Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa Dr. Gideon Ochanda. Iko pressure mingi. Naona vijana wananiangalia, wananiuliza Jalasi yuko wapi? Jalasi yuko hapa.